Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can gift a gift card from GiftcardCabin. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to type in giftcardcabin.com in your search box from your browser. You will get landed onto a page like this. Here you will see various gift cards from Amazon, Hulu, Netflix, and you will also see some App Store and iTunes gift card. So select whatever gift card that you would like to gift someone, and if it's a gift, select this as a gift. And you can also pick a size of gift certificate. I'm going to select a random one. And likewise, this will be your total. And you also got a discount for this one. So you can also select the quantity. Let's make it 2. If you have a discount coupon, select I have a coupon and then paste it here and apply. And if it's valid, your amount will be decreased and you will have to pay much less. Now likewise, select to payout. And likewise, if you already have an account with this, you may go ahead and type the card information and check out after logging in. If not, you will see this new customer or guest. Likewise, fill out all this information, enter your card number, and once done, select place orders. And this is how easy it is, guys. Thank you for watching.